I can't really believe that so many people are still working this old way, selling time to a boss every day to get a salary in return. Let's face it, when you get back home in the evening, there's almost no time and no energy left to do the things you really want to do. And over time, people become unhappy with their lives and they begin to regret they did nothing about it at the right time. Thankfully though, there are much better ways to earn money available online. I still remember the day I realized this myself. I had a good job and a decent enough salary, but I was never really fulfilled. I hated being trapped in the rat race every day. I hated spending time in traffic jams, and I never had enough time to spend with people I love. So one day I was watching some self-improvement videos on YouTube when I happened to see a video from a guy from England named Dan, who was also tired of all of this and decided to make a change. He created his own online business and now his websites are selling products for him 24/7. So he was able to quit his job and now he spends time with his loved ones and really just enjoys a totally new lifestyle. So I decided to contact him and he said he wanted to help me to do it for myself. And he sent me a video series where his mentor Stuart Ross explains how every person with the right mindset could create their own online business from scratch. I have to admit, at first I was a bit skeptical, but I still decided to at least watch the videos to build my own opinion. And honestly, I'm so glad I did, because these videos just changed my life forever. Today I'm at the point in my own journey where I want to do the same for others. If anyone who watched this video wants to learn how to start up their own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to send them the latest version of the video series that Dan sent me, for free of course, because this is the way I got it. So I will leave a link to my website somewhere around this video, so you can click on it and enter your name and email, and I will send you the videos directly to your email inbox. If you are someone who is open to learn new things and you are willing to do the work in order to stop selling time for money but to work for yourself online, then I strongly recommend you to have a look at the videos yourself so you can decide if this is something for you or not. This is what I did, and honestly this was the best decision I ever made.